Hey friend, it's Simply T again. You know it's my favorite season, fall. So you know I had to come back with yet another affordable fall ready look. Now today I am trying out something new with you guys, and it's from the Studio Cut wig line, and this was sent over by SamsBeauty. If you've watched a couple of my videos, you know that is usually my go-to website for all of my wigs. So a huge shout out to SamsBeauty for letting me try this wig. I have not tried any burgundy looks, I don't think, on this channel, so I'm really excited about this one. And I've never tried anything from the Studio Cut by Pros company. So we're going to be trying the natural deep part lace wig, a realistic natural hairline. So if you want to see how I turn this into a fall ready look, you know what to do. Don't go nowhere. Just keep watching. Okay folks, so I've got my stocking cap. I done greased my scalp and my braids underneath, so I'm ready to try this style out. And this one is style DPL008, and it came in the color OT530. So let's check her out. And it looks kind of like a curly, like a wavy bob, so that's really cute. Let's check it out. Okay. All right. I don't know if the light is picking this up, but there is a very cute kind of deep burgundy purplish look color to it, which I do like. Is out of my usual. And it came with baby hairs. I don't know if you can see that. It came with a deep part right here. Let's look underneath. So of course you have the usual comb in the back, the adjustable straps, the two combs right here, two little mini combs. And of course today it looks like we're going to be dealing with a T-part lace wig. So that tells me a couple things. This is going to be beginner friendly, a simple and easy install. So if you're not sure what T-part lace wigs are like or how you can style them, make sure you go ahead and click this link right here and check out a few of my other T-part lace wig reviews. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is very different for me, but I am loving it so far. I love a wavy bob. It's something very like sleek, stylish, and simple about a bob wig that just comes with a couple simple curls and waves in it. This is the parting space right here, and I haven't decided on whether or not I want to pluck the hairline or just kind of leave it like this for now. But I do see that I can easily kind of clip it back like this. I can kind of hold it back like this if I want to. So it has some, you know, variety to it already. So let's go ahead and get into the install of this wig, and I'll be right back. I'm not gonna lie, I don't usually wear this color. It's something I've always wanted to try out, but I didn't know if it would really work with me. So I wasn't too sure about this wig going into it, but now that I'm done installing the wig and I'm looking at it for myself, I have to say this is another prime example of why you should trust the process. Okay, this wig here is wow. Before we go any further about the details of this wig and how I feel about it, make sure you drop down in the description box below if you want a link or you want any of the listed items that I use to achieve this look right here. As you can see from the install, I really didn't have to do much. This is truly a perfect beginner friendly wig because it's low minimal effort and the style is amazing. I usually run away from the pre-made baby hairs in certain wigs, but in this case the baby hairs actually allowed me to mask some of that bulkiness that we saw in the hairline of the wig. I wasn't too sure how, you know, prominent that was going to be in the final look, but I can definitely say I just went through and did some light plucking that really didn't, you know, pull too much out, but I just wanted to go ahead and use my tweezers to see if it would move it at all or make a difference in thinning out the hairline. I was able to brush down the baby hairs, and y'all, I love bobs. I don't wear them often because I'm always in big hair or long hair. But if you can find you a good bob, you have found a keeper. And this girl right here is definitely looking like a keeper to me. My favorite part about it being a bob is that you can't really see it through the curls, but it feels kind of like angular. I'll show you guys some angles or how it looks from the back in a minute. And the curls are actually layered, and I love how they frame my face. Just looking at this wig, this is surprisingly, I'm going to put this in the category of every occasion wear, no lie, because I can definitely see myself throwing this on for a work environment and also for a social setting where you're hitting the town for the night, or you're going to a more upscale event and you want to wear it with like a nice dress or something like that. The baby hairs were pre-curled, so that definitely made it a whole lot less intimidating to try and style on your own. And I've got to say, I also love the length and the volume of this particular style. I've never tried this wig company before, but now I can see why it's such a huge favorite for everybody, most especially at the price point and the style that it provides. It's just a simple T-part lace wig. It's about 6 inches deep. Right here is a deep part T-part lace wig, so that takes away half of the work in trying to get it together. It did come with ear-to-ear lace, but honestly, just looking at the style and the way that it's framed, unless you're trying to sweep it out of the way on each side, you don't really need to worry about keeping much of that lace or necessarily gluing or spraying it down. But I do have to say, I don't usually rock burgundy wigs, but this one has made me a believer. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay, it's sinking in. So you gotta give me a minute to kind of give you my first impression of this wig. I think we found a bob for the fall in this one right here. I definitely think we found a bob for this season. This color is awesome, and the length, the curls, everything is amazing. This is of course a synthetic lace wig, so I'm just kind of running my fingers through it, trying to get a feel for what the texture is going to be like. But to be completely honest with you, I see this being pretty long lasting. One, because I'm going to treat it very gently, and of course it has kind of like a I wouldn't say yucky texture per se, but I will definitely say it's like it's not as silky as it looks. So it has the perks of being a silky looking wig, but you can kind of feel it's a little coarse. And I tend to prefer curly hair when it comes to synthetic wigs because they tend to hold up a little bit more, and this, I don't feel any tangles in this one at all. This particular wig is also heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So in the event that I do start to lose the waviness, or I do start to lose some of the curls in this wig, I can definitely go ahead and either add some rods to it or use my curling wand to kind of wrap it up again and spring those curls back to life. But guys, I think we found a winner. I think, yeah. I didn't have to do much to it. I didn't really have to style it, pluck it, curl it, anything like that. That's one of the biggest benefits of having a pre-styled, pre-color synthetic wig. So, you know what? I think I'm going to be back for more from Studio Cut. I don't know. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about Miss DPL008? I love it. Let me know what you think. And I don't know about you, but SamsBeauty, I'm coming right back to you guys looking for this wig in other colors as well. But I definitely love this one and will be adding it to my collection. Thank you for clicking play. Guys, you know how this usually goes. I'm going to show you a couple of angles of this curly wavy bob here, this burgundy beauty, and I will see you guys same place next time. Peace out.